guys, so it's Tuesday and we're about to make some tacos because it's Taco Tuesday. I feel like tacos are like one of my favorite cheat meals that is technically not a cheat meal because it has protein in it and like tomatoes and stuff. I don't feel as guilty when I eat it. So I'm gonna make some tacos. We filmed today and it was not the easiest filming day because our freaking camera broke and we didn't drop it on the floor or anything. It just completely gave up on us. It just stopped recording in the middle of us filming. At first we thought it was the SD card, but it was not the SD card because when I put in another SD card, it kept turning off again. Like every time I would sit down and I would start talking, it would stop. So we were like halfway through filming and the camera just gave up on us. And we've had this camera for like 5 or 6 years. So I'm kind of sad because I do not want to buy another one anytime soon because it's like $1,500. Cameras are not cheap. It's funny because our hard drive just broke like 2 weeks ago, so I ordered another one of those, so it's on the way. So it's just been a lot going on behind the scenes that y'all don't see. Yeah, about to make some tacos. By the way, I put these 4 braids in my hair last night. It took me like an hour because I think we watched like 1 episode of The Voice and I was done after like 2 episodes. So it took me a little over an hour actually. But it was harder for me to do, I guess, because I hadn't washed my hair in like 8 days, so my hair was super tangly and dry. So I had to leave a lot of conditioner in it because in order for me to like braid my hair or twist it or anything, I have to have a ton of conditioner in it because the slip is way easier. So I probably won't be doing a tutorial on this anytime soon until I like perfect the process because I still don't know like what's the best like products to use when braiding, because I honestly could have used some mousse to set it because I had to use a crap ton of gel in the front before I went to bed because I braided my hair wet with a bunch of conditioner in it and I hate going to bed with wet hair. So that's what I had to end up doing last night for it to like stay put. But they turned out cute. I mean, they look cute from the angle y'all are seeing, but it's a little raggedy up close. But I mean, I just didn't feel like doing a wash and go this week, so I was like, I might as well just braid my hair. I'm really good at braiding other people's hair, but it's not that easy to braid your own hair, if you know what I mean. Like your arms get really tired, your hair tangles. The sun isn't down yet, but I'm having wine early because it's been a long day. So when my meat is pretty much almost done cooking, I like to add spinach just so I can have like some extra, you know, essential greens in an enjoyable meal. So this is a good way to get your vegetables in, especially if you don't even like spinach, because you low-key can barely taste it because of the taco flavor, but it's really good. So this is like my 3rd time doing this and it's actually really, really good. So so it is Saturday and Kelsey and I are doing some more around the house things today, and I really want to reorganize our cleaning products under our sink because I ordered some Lazy Susans online. You'll see what they are. I've never heard of a Lazy Susan until I saw Rosita Applebaum talk about them in her most recent, I think she did an apartment tour, and I just love the aesthetic of them because right now I have like some acrylic containers that I'm still going to use, but I'm just going to use them in my bathroom in here because I need some more storage containers for in here, so I'm just gonna use them in here. But for the kitchen, I really wanted to use those Lazy Susans because they spin and they just look really convenient to me. So I'm going to do that. Also, I ordered some little LED, I don't know if they're LED lights, or some lights on Amazon for the kitchen, because we don't have any like under cabinet lighting, because at night I don't always want to turn on like the bright lights in the kitchen. Sometimes I just want like a nice, more subtle light that's still really good lighting, because sometimes I like to cook with just some light just right where the stove is at. I don't need light in the whole kitchen. Maybe it's just me, but I've been really wanting some lights for under the cabinet. So I ordered some, and hopefully they're not a pain to put up, because we're gonna do that today, and hopefully it goes well, because I really want some lights in the kitchen under the cabinet. So we're gonna put those up today and see how they look tonight. So that should be okay. I'm not cooking today. I cooked yesterday. I made spaghetti, and we're just gonna have leftovers. And I typically don't cook on the weekends unless it's something specific that I really want to make. Usually Kelsey and I cook during the week. For some people it's the opposite, but I like to cook during the week because usually it's fresh stuff like veggies and salmon and stuff like that. But I wanted to make spaghetti yesterday, so I made that. It turned out really good. I've been liking mine with the angel hair pasta instead of like the regular spaghetti noodles. The angel hair noodles are a little bit thinner, so it tastes lighter. So I don't know if that's a good thing because I end up eating more. Anyway, I'm gonna reorganize under the kitchen sink. So that's what I'm gonna do now. So I probably should have rethought about this, because a lot of the cleaning products I use are like taller, they're not short. So obviously a Lazy Susan spins and it won't make sense if things are falling, but I still like the look of these better under here. It looks cleaner, more minimal. So I'm still gonna keep them under here because I bought them, so I'm not gonna waste my money. That one fit perfectly there because the way our sink is set up, this thing is in the way. So obviously I can't move that, so I have to work with the space we have under here, and this is just gonna have to work. So yeah, I need to feel accomplished today, so it has to look neat. Okay guys, so these are the lights that we're going to be installing today. Well, not installing, but placing, because I hope this is not that much of a task. This is the brand. It's from Brilliant Evolution, and these are the wireless ultra thin LED light bars. Yeah, they're battery operated. So I guess we just change the batteries when they die. 100 hours. Does it mean we have to replace them after 100 hours? Okay, so I just applied the adhesive tape to each end. I have to take this part off because it's double, you know, sticky on each end. I mean, that makes sense because it has to stick to this and the surface that I'm sticking it to. But make sure this is clean before you stick the tape on, because it's not going to stick if you have like oily hands or if this is oily. So you can just like wipe it down with alcohol or something. But it does come with these little screws because the little screw holes are in the same area, but I don't have time for that. No. So we're gonna do them in the center of the cabinet. You could pick wherever you want to put yours, in the front, back. It doesn't say whether to hold it or not, but I'm holding it because I feel like holding it will help it stick better in my own mind, but yeah. Okay, so I put all of them on underneath. We did 5. I wanted to mention that I put it on this way so the light is facing the backsplash so that the light can kind of bounce off the backsplash and make it even brighter. So I did it that way, but you can obviously do it whichever way you want, but I like it this way better just because I feel like it makes more sense, because as you can see, the light is bouncing right off of the backsplash, so that honestly makes sense to me. But yeah. Okay, so it's evening time, so the sun's going down right now, but this is the kitchen with the blinds closed. We've closed the blinds, and now Kendra is going to demonstrate and turn all of the lights on so you can see the difference and how the kitchen looks with the lights. Such a big difference. It's like a kitchen remodel on a budget. Wow. I got these from Amazon, by the way, for those asking. And my Lazy Susans are from Amazon too. And they each take 3 AA batteries. So it's on the directions on Amazon. On Amazon. But so yeah, just letting y'all know. I literally put them up in like probably 10 minutes. Took me no time at all. So yeah, super fast. Also, a new kitchen addition is this marble spoon holder, because you know when you're cooking and you need to sit the spoon or the fork down, you have to put it on like a paper towel or an actual towel. But this is super convenient because you can just sit it on this. So I've been obsessed with this. They also have it in like white marble, but Kendra decided to get the black marble, which I'm obsessed with because it kind of like, you know, it's nice pop with the white countertops, so it stands out a little bit more. Also from Amazon, of course. It's kind of shaped like a fish, and it's pretty good quality. It's heavy. Okay guys, so I just took a shower and I'm still air drying my hair. I've been drying my hair all freaking day. I'm about to have some wine. I'm gonna try this new wine. This is a rosé, and I normally don't really like rosé, to be completely honest. Y'all know I'm a red wine girl. I don't like rosé like that. But this is from the brand Whispering Angel. I've been told that rosé is like the hot dog of wines. So they basically take all the leftover makings of white wine and red wine and make rosé. So it's basically white and red wine mixed together. But I'm gonna try it anyway, see how it tastes. I don't know, so many people just love rosé and I'm just, it ain't it for me. But maybe this one will change my mind. Let's see. It's okay. I'm not like obsessed with it. It's like, doesn't compare to my reds, just saying. I ordered more of this one that I showed y'all in the last vlog. I don't know, it's just something about this one, it tastes so good. Oh, we got some more Silk and Spice. This is the Silk and Spice wine. I showed this in my self-care routine video that I put up, I think, last month. Also, I want to share with you guys this Boathouse Farms vanilla chai. I tried it this morning and it's bomb. Yeah, it's so good. I tried it this morning. It has 13 grams of protein in it and it's dairy free. So this might be my new obsession, because I have the Tazo one, like the Tazo chai that they actually use at Starbucks, but for some reason, sorry, I'm heating up my leftovers. Having leftover spaghetti. Kendra made spaghetti last night. We haven't gone to Starbucks in over 2 months, so I've been trying to like have chai at home. So this one is delicious. It's super creamy, it's super light. This is the Tazo one that I have. This is the Tazo one. So I'm not sure if this is the exact one they use at Starbucks, but it doesn't taste the same. It's good, but I don't know, maybe they add more milk. So probably gonna watch How to Get Away with Murder, the finale. I'm kind of sad that it's ending, but it did kind of feel like the end was coming, but I feel like I could use one more season of it, because I low-key feel like they dragged out Scandal way too much, and I feel like I could use more episodes of this. So the finale is called What did that say? I got my glasses on. Hold on, y'all. Stay. It's called Stay. So probably gonna watch this and then watch some more episodes of the game because we've been re-binge watching the game. By the way, this is Hulu, obviously, because so many people were asking me on Instagram. I was watching this on Hulu, so you can watch the game on Hulu, all the seasons. So we're on season 4. The season when BET picked it up. I like this season too, but I don't know, it just wasn't the same after the CW, but it was still pretty good. I liked it because I low-key only watched for Tasha Mack, to be completely honest. She was the star of the show. Most people thought it was Melanie and Derwin, but I'm sorry, Tasha Mack was the star of the show.